distant thunder breaks. An afternoon of silence wakes. They hurry through from gate to gate as if they know this dance. Very blind, I drive at night across the moors and open roads beneath the freezing starry skies, racing in some trance. These cities are illusions of some trance. All the nations love to see the iron carcass rust and then topple into dust. And as the waters rise to seas, we cling to all the ruthless things, religious lies, technology, while spinning, scream and sing. Oh God, I with comfort lies like lightning never strikes you twice. And we laugh at your amazed surprise as the heart begins to sink. This